Okay, welcome back to the part 3. Okay, this part titled Carbonated Drink Ingredients. Okay, there are many ingredients in carbonated drinks. First of all, is sweetener. It can be sugar and non-nutritive sweetener, flavor, color, acid, water, CO2, carbon dioxide. It also may contain foaming agent, emulsion, caffeine, gum, and anti-foaming agent. Okay, for the sweetener can be sugar or syrup or sugar alcohol or alternative sweetener. Okay, the function of sugar contributes sweetness, calories, body, and mouth feel. Okay, this is the portion of sweetener in the soft drink. Okay, fructose also can be a sweetener. A natural sugar which is sweeter than any other commercially available sugar. Okay, greater sweetness but brown readily at low temperature. And then is a high fructose corn syrup or HFCS. HFCS 42 approximately is 42% of fructose and 58% of glucose. Okay, for HFCS 90 approximately 90% of fructose and 10% of glucose. 42% of fructose and 51% of dextrose equal to sugar sweetness. Okay, high fructose corn syrup less color stable and enzymatically action produce high fructose corn syrup by alpha amylase and glucoamylase. Okay, this is a production of high fructose corn syrup. First of all, the raw material is a cornstarch. Okay, cornstarch will be turned into oligosaccharides by alpha amylase, and oligosaccharide will be turned into glucose by glucoamylase, and lastly, glucose will turn into mixture of fructose and glucose by xylose isomerase. Okay, the issue regarding the high fructose corn syrup 55. Okay, honey is typically has a fructose and glucose ratio similar to high fructose corn syrup 55. Okay, similar sugar profile and lower price. Okay, high fructose corn syrup have been illegally used to stretch honey. Okay, as a result, check for adulteration no longer test for sugar content, but instead test for minute quantity of protein that can be used to different between high fructose corn syrup and honey. So, the protein contained in honey. Okay, this is the sweetness level of sugar. Okay, levulose of fructose, the sweetness value is the highest, is 173. Okay, invert sugar is 130, sucrose is 100, glucose is 74, sorbitol is 60, mannitol is 50, galactose 32, maltose 32, and lactose is 16. Okay, this is the diagram of dehydration synthesis from glucose and fructose bond and become sucrose. Okay, polyol or hydric alcohol or sugar alcohol found naturally in fruit and vegetable or synthesized by hydrogenating certain sugar. Example is sorbitol, mannitol, xylitol, and isomalt. This is a polyol. Okay, catalytic hydrogenation of glucose, we make sorbitol. Okay, the sweetness level is about around 50 to 60. Okay, maltitol, the sweetness level is 90. Okay, this mannitol is good for diabetic, used in sugarless product, and benefit have cooling sensation experience when dissolved in mouth. Okay, cholestatic prevent cavity as they cannot be digested by bacteria that responsible for dental cavities or dental caries. Okay, this is a non-nutritive sweetener. Okay, saccharin have a bitter taste. Okay, cyclamide is a carcinogenic. Is a cancer cause compound. Okay, aspartame dipeptide not stable in carbonated beverages. Alitame, sorry, 2000. Asulfame K and sucralose. Dietetic beverages are made with non-nutritive sweetener to replace much of sugar. A bodying agent such as carboxymethyl cellulose or the peptine is required. Okay, flavor. Overall flavor of soft drink depend on intricate balance of sweetness, tartness, and acidity. These three components is very important. Okay, combination of many sensation, sweet, sour, bitter, salty, burnt, also important. Okay, they have a wide range of flavoring. They contain from natural identical, the chemical synthesis, imitation, artificial, chemically unaltered, and related to natural flavor. Must be stable under acidic medium and exposure to light, and does have to be stable. What do you think? Okay, there are three classification of artificial flavor. First is a synthetic. Okay. Secondly is natural and synthetic to the particular fruit or herbs. And thirdly, natural but synthetic, foreign to the flavor. Flavor have to be water soluble or water dispersible. Okay, flavor, emulsion is a mixing all with emulsion agent, then adding water. Sorry. Okay, and then we go to colors. Okay, synthetic color in the soft drink certified as coal tar colors. The color must be appealing to the eye and easy to market. Okay, color and flavor known to be treated as compound. Okay, prefer over natural fruit color because they have a great coloring power and very stable. Even with fruit extract or juice, generally still supplement with synthetic color. Okay, caramel or burnt sugar is a non-synthetic color derived from natural carbohydrate source. Example corn and wheat. Okay, it's amorphous and dark brown. They have a no shape with color of dark brown. The treatment of saccharin, sugar sweet materials such as dextrose, invert sugar, and lactose, malt syrup, molasses, sucrose, and starch hydrolysate. Okay, there are three types of caramel, different in terms of hue, color, strength, and stability. Okay, first of all, it's acid proof, acid stable, is less than pH 2.5. Baker and confettier and forming. Okay, polymeric color are very excellent function or property. First, it's very stable, good tolerant to heat, sunlight, pH, moisture, and enzyme. Is a free of taste, is tasteless. Uh, this color consists of yellow, red, violet, blue, and orange. And how about what do you think about toxicology problem? You think they have any? Okay, then we go for acid. Okay, if you know that the soft drink contain carbon dioxide, you know, but the carbon dioxide is not enough. Okay, the function of acid in carbonated or non-carbonated drink are the same. Okay, acid lend the tartness or sourness to the taste and enhance palatability, increase thirst quenching effect by stimulating flow of saliva, and modify the sweetness of sugar, and act as a mild preservative. Okay, acid, acid citric, acid tartic, and acid malic are natural acid sugar of fruit, a source of from fruit. Okay, citric acid being widely employed. Phosphoric acid also put in colas, root beer, is not is non-food drinks. Okay, ascorbic acid is an antioxidant, or also known as a vitamin C. It will improve shelf life, increase stability of flavor, and increase nutritional value, but not lowering the pH. Okay, in this part, we will see the strong acid. Okay, first part is acid hydrochloric is stronger than sulfuric acid. Okay, sulfuric acid is stronger than phosphoric acid, and phosphoric acid is stronger than formic acid. Okay, for the second part is the lower acid, the weakest acid. Okay, you can see the ascorbic acid is less power than the lactic acid. Okay, and lactic acid is less power than citric acid. Okay, and then the citric acid is less power than tartaric acid. But this part, tartaric acid, citric acid, lactic acid, and ascorbic acid is the acid that you can consume. Okay, a food grade. They have a food grade about it. Okay, and then the long-term stability. Okay, the preservative also can be used as benzoic acid or sodium benzoate. Is used about 0.01 to 0.05% as a preservative.